Hey, this is Brenda Meller. If you're using Kajabi and you're wondering how to set links in your playback pages to open in a new window, I'd like to show you how today. So right now I'm inside one of my membership programs. It's called Marketing with Meller. And I'm going to go into the section where I have the body description for everything inside here. I'm going to click on the full screen just to make it a little bit larger for you to see. And what you need to do in order to set these links to open in a new window is first of all, just click on one of the links. And once you do so, you're going to see that little paperclip icon kind of gets highlighted. When you click on that, you're going to see the URL, the text to display, and then the target. And the target is what we're looking for here. So you need to make sure that it's set to new window. So what I'm going to do is just click on each of the links inside my playback page right now and just make sure that each of these is set to open in a new window. You might notice sometimes the paragraphs shift around when you do this. You got to double check your spacing as you go. Here's one here that's set to none. So I just need to change that to display in a new window. And I'm going to double check all of the other links in here at the same time. So the important thing to note here is that when you do type in a link, and once you hit the space inside Kajabi, inside the editor here, it will make it a hyperlink, but by default, it's not going to be set to open in a new window. And let me show you before I finish these off what happens here. I'm going to click on save so I don't lose my work there. If I were to provide this playback page to my members and they're scrolling through and looking at some of the playback links that are inside here, you're going to notice that if I click on this link, it opens up in a new window. So I'm not navigating away from my program. If I were to close that window, I could come back and I'd still be inside here. As opposed to one of these other ones, if I click, I'm actually leaving the program. And sometimes people don't know that they're leaving the program. And once they click to close, they would now have to go back and re-navigate in to log back in all over again. So that's why it's really important to set these to open in a new window. Hey, if you're a Kajabi user like me, let me know if you found this video helpful. Hopefully I saved you some time and angst searching around for answers. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're working on inside Kajabi. Take care and have a great day.